Hello friends, hope everybody is good in this tough time. So today we are going to learn about VPN network, which is also called as virtual private network. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect over a VPN network to a different network. Okay, so before starting the video, let me clarify what is different network and what is my network. Okay, see, today I'm just operating in my laptop, and my laptop is connected to my mobile data. Okay, so I am on my mobile network and I'm trying to connect to my institute network, which is different. Okay, and the connection between my network, that is my mobile network, and my institute network will be through VPN, that is virtual private network. Okay, so that is what I'm going to show you in today's video. Right, so first of all, you have to open in a desktop or laptop the browser screen. It may be a Google Chrome browser or Firefox or something else. Okay, and then you have to type your address over here. Okay, VPN address over here. So I'm typing my VPN address. Once I am done with my VPN address, typed in the address bar, I will strike the enter key. The moment I strike the enter key, I will get a screen like this where I will get a pop-up window. In the pop-up window, it will be asked to provide the username and password. The group name will be in a drop-down window, so you can select the group name, which will be provided by your institute or a technical person who is dealing with this network in your institute. Okay, so I'm choosing mine, and then I'll be giving the username given from my institute. And then I'll be giving my password. Yeah, remember one thing, the username which you're providing over here. Okay, just like our institute, we are having 60 system in one lab and we are having multiple labs, so the number will vary. The username is followed by a numeric number. That number will vary. Okay, so for one lab it will be 1 to 60, or if your lab capacity is 40, so it will be 1 to 40, and next it will start from 41 onwards. So in this way the number will vary. Okay, so once I had given these credentials, I will just click login over here. So it will ask for continue. I need to click continue, and then a screen will open like this. So here in the screen you can see a blue color tab is there, and it's asking for download for Windows. You have to click this download for Windows tab and download the file to your system, run it, install it, and strike the finish button. Once you have done that, the file is downloaded, installed in your system. Thereafter, what you need to do is that to connect over the VPN network, you have to go to the search button from the Windows bar over here, or Windows tab over here. Click the search button and type over here Cisco. The moment you type over Cisco, a tab will come over here named as Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. Okay, so you need to strike this one, and then in the result you will get an pop-up window again. Okay, here I'm getting to the corner of my screen where it is showing the VPN network ID of my institute. Okay, if it is not there, you need to type it out, right? And then you have to strike connect. And then again a pop-up will open, which will be verifying the credentials which are given in the initial phase. It will ask me the password for that once again. So once again I need to type the password. Here I have given the password, and then I need to strike OK. Then it will ask for accept. I need to accept it, and here my system got connected over the VPN network. Now I have established the VPN network from my network to my institute network. Now I need to access the system from my institute, from one of the laboratory or any of the laboratory of my system, of my institute. Sorry. So what I will do is that for that I need to strike the Windows button again and need to go for the search option. The search option I will type remote. So I'll get remote desktop connection. I need to click that one. Then it will ask me for the IP address of the system which I need to access. Remember, the system which I need to access, the system should be in on condition. Okay, so already I've given the IP address over here. Okay, you need to give the IP address which will be provided by your lab technician or the technical person dealing with this network in your institute or office. Then I'll just click provide that IP address over here, and I'll click connect. Then it will ask for the password. So username and password will ask. I had given my username already, so it's asking me for the password. I provide my password over here. Which password? The system to which I'm connecting, that system password. Okay, and given that, I will click OK. When I click OK, it is asking me permission, asking for yes or no. I'll just click yes over here, and here you can see I got access to the system. Okay, present inside my institute. Right, now let me open the file and show you. You can see I can open the file also. Okay, now this is how we establish a connection over the VPN to a different system, okay, on a different network. Now how to close this? To come out of this connection, I have to just go to this cross button and click it out. The moment I click it out, I got a pop-up like this. I need to click OK over here. Now connection from that particular desktop is no more connected to my system, but I am presently on the VPN itself. So to come out of the VPN, what I have to do is that again I need to go to the search option, and I need to type Cisco. Okay, so I'm getting this tab once again. Let me click it out. You can see it is still connected. So I'll just strike the disconnect button over here, and here my VPN network got disconnected. Okay, so this is all about to get connected and get disconnected over VPN network. Thank you for watching.